Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are whipping up a lovely, perfect for summer, watermelon mint foaming hand wash. I've worked to keep this hand wash fairly simple, and one of the biggest parts of that simplicity is using a pre-blended surfactant product rather than blending our own surfactants for this hand wash, meaning you just need one bottle of something from your supplier rather than 2 or more. The blend I'm using is called BSB Liquid. It creates really gorgeous, rich, decadent feeling lather that leaves your skin feeling conditioned and just mwah. If you don't have it, please make sure you are reading the blog post linked in the description box below. I've included information about substitutions there. The scent for this hand wash comes from 2 places, a touch of watermelon fragrance oil and some peppermint hydrosol. Nothing in this formulation requires heating, so we're just going to stir everything together, leave it to dissolve on its own, and that is pretty much it. Because this is a foaming hand wash, we are packaging it in a bottle that has a foamer top, so you do need one of these, or you need to thicken the hand wash. If you'd like information on how to do that, please make sure you watch the hand wash live stream I did a couple months ago. I'll link it in the description box below, but that works with the same surfactant blend that we're using today and talks through a bunch of different ways that you can customize formulations using that, including thickening them. As always, please make sure you're reading the blog post linked in the description box below for lots more information, including information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, where to buy all the ingredients, and a whole lot more. But come on, let's go make some hand wash. I'm going to begin by weighing out the 2 ingredients that we need in quite small amounts using a more precise scale. So for our preservative, we're going to need 0.45 grams liquid germall plus and 0.3 grams watermelon fragrance oil. With those 2 ingredients weighed out, we can switch to a scale that has a higher maximum weight and add the rest of our ingredients. So we're going to need 22.5 grams vegetable glycerin, 22.5 grams BSB surfactant blend, and for substitutions, please make sure you're reading the blog post linked in the description box below. And then for the dye, technically we want 0.015 grams, but we're not going to be able to weigh that out. So I'm just dipping our stirring rod into the dye. You can see I've picked up a very small amount of it, and we'll use that to stir, and that will color the batch. We're going to give this a nice thorough stir before we add the 2 watery ingredients, because we can stir it now without working up lots of lather. And then for our last 2 ingredients, we need 30 grams peppermint hydrosol, and if you'd like to use peppermint essential oil instead, please read the blog post linked in the description box below, and 74.235 grams distilled water. Up next, I'm going to cover this beaker with a piece of cling film to give everything a chance to really dissolve and thoroughly incorporate before we package it up. All right, so it's been about an hour. I got some bread going in the oven there, and this has dissolved really nicely. When you look at it through the side, you won't see any sort of solid bits of surfactant. So with that done, we're ready to package it up. So I'm just going to top off this batch of the exact same hand wash that I made for the blog post. Looking good, and check out that lather. And it is just gorgeous, as you can see. Just heaps and heaps of tiny little creamy bubbles, and absolutely brilliant for washing the hands with a nice, soft, fresh, watermelony, minty smell that is perfect for summer. And there we go. So we just made an awesome watermelon mint foaming hand wash. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please make sure you are reading the partner blog post linked in the description box below for a lot more information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, where to buy all the ingredients, and a whole lot more. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.